Hello and welcome to the Springfield Family Center kitchen. Today we'll be making a healthy meal that is easily made using mostly shelf-stable foods and a microwave. Black bean quesadillas. You can make this meal in less than 10 minutes and it's full of protein, veggies, and healthy fats. This is a great option for a meal on the run or a meal that you can try at low cost using ingredients you most likely already have at home. Let's start off by gathering the items you'll need to make this meal. For your ingredients, you're going to need 1 can of black beans, 1 can of corn or 1 bag of frozen corn, shredded Mexican blended cheese, flour or corn tortillas, 1 red onion, a fajita seasoning blend, and your favorite salsa, 1 lime, and a 1/4 cup of cilantro, which is optional. The kitchen items you'll need are a kitchen knife, a fork or a masher, a cutting board, a large bowl, a glass or microwave safe plate. Once you have all of your items together, we can move on to the next step. Preparation. Start by draining your can of beans. If you're using canned corn, repeat this process with your corn. Now, using your knife and cutting board, dice your red onion into small pieces. If you want extra tips on dicing onions, look at our Kitchen Basics episodes of the Everyone Cooks video series. Next, if you're adding cilantro, remove the leaves of your cilantro from the stems. Roughly chop the cilantro leaves and set them aside. Cut your lime in half and then a half in quarters and set it aside. Place the black beans in a large bowl. Pre-mixed fajita spice blends are available at most grocery stores. You can also make your own fajita seasoning from scratch. To do so, you can find this recipe on our microwavable black bean quesadilla guide. Mix your fajita spice mix to taste. Chop cilantro and freshly squeezed lime juice. Once everything is mixed well together, crush the bean mix with the back of a fork or a masher until it comes together to form a paste. Take out 2 tortillas and spread the bean paste on them. Layer on the corn, diced onion, and a handful of cheese on one of the tortillas. Place the second tortilla on top of the mix to make the quesadilla. Next step is microwaving. Place your quesadilla on a glass plate and microwave it for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Cut the quesadilla into serving sizes. Top with your favorite salsa and enjoy. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy this simple microwavable recipe, and we look forward to seeing you next time.